In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone on ClickUp. We'll walk through the simplest way to invite a teammate to your workspace so they can start collaborating right away. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct workspace and that you have permission to invite new people, which is typically allowed for owners and admins. Start by opening your web browser and going to ClickUp. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account and wait for your workspace to load. It helps to confirm you're in the right place if you manage more than one workspace, since invites are specific to the one you're currently viewing. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It usually shows your avatar or initials. Click that icon to open your account menu. This is your quick access point for personal preferences and workspace level settings. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to a dedicated settings area where you can manage how your workspace functions and who has access to it. Give the page a second to load. Larger workspaces can take a moment. In the Settings sidebar, find and click People. This section centralizes everything related to members, guests, and pending invitations, making it the best place to handle access without jumping around the interface. Next, click the Invite People button. You'll see a panel or modal where you can begin your invite. This keeps the process focused so you can add the right folks without leaving the settings page. In the invite field, enter the email address of the person you want to add. Double-check the spelling, and consider using their work email for the smoothest onboarding experience. Accuracy here matters because the system will send an email invitation to whatever address you enter. When you're ready, click Send Invites. ClickUp will dispatch an invitation to the email address you provided. You'll typically see the person appear in your people list with a pending status until they accept the invite from their inbox. After sending, let your teammate know to look for the ClickUp email and to check spam or promotions folders if they don't see it right away. If your plan has limited seats, keep an eye on availability. Running out of seats can block new invites. For security, never share your own login. Inviting each person ensures proper access and accountability. That's it. You've successfully invited someone to your ClickUp workspace. Once they accept, they'll be ready to join your projects and tasks.